Welcome in online teaching of St. Thomas School. We are going to study moral science subject, chapter number 10, Hero Worship. First paragraph. During one of Gandhi's visit to London, the famous comedian Charlie Chaplin wanted to see Gandhi. Chaplin was world famous for his humor in films and was a renowned actor. People all over the world respected him, but Gandhi had never heard of him. He had never seen a movie. The people around him told Gandhi about the fame of the man and what kind of a hero he was among the people. And they advised Gandhi to give audience to such a great personality. But Gandhi said no. His friends were surprised. They could not understand why an audience should be refused to such a great personality. Any other man on earth would have accepted such personalities with extended hands because every human being is usually carried away by glamour and power. Gandhi had no special interest in actors, but when he was told that Charlie Chaplin came from a poor family and he became famous by his own hard work, Gandhi agreed to meet him. The encounter turned into a competition between Toothless and Toothsome Smiling. Chaplin asked for Gandhi's view on machine, and the answer is said to have inspired one of the actor's subsequent films. So, my dear students, like name of the chapter is Hero Worship, and we know very well how we are worshipping heroes. No? We are trying to imitate film heroes, but as it is said here, one visit of Gandhiji at London, when famous comedian Charlie Chaplin wanted to see Gandhiji, wanted to meet Gandhiji, and we know very well how famous Charlie Chaplin for the comedy. But when it was asked to Gandhiji, Gandhiji denied. Gandhiji said, no need to meet to Charlie Chaplin because Gandhiji was not keeping any interest towards actor. You see, my dear students, Charlie Chaplin was well known even though Gandhiji denied. But later on, when Gandhiji came to know by doing such a slog work he became that much famous, then Gandhiji agreed to meet Charlie Chaplin. Okay, so like that we can say the encounter turned into a competition between Toothless and Toothsome Smiling. And Chaplin asked for Gandhi's views on machine and answer. Okay, so now next paragraph, Gandhi's attitude in refusing audience to a world-class actor may amuse us beyond limit. When millions of people madly rush to capture a glimpse of such people, Gandhi refused even the request from him. The scale of values that Gandhi used in his life was much different from what the rest of the world was following. Gandhi agreed to meet Charlie Chaplin only when he was convinced of his worth. Gandhi always gave special place for poor and underprivileged. He was never ready to accept the worldly map of greatness and dignity. But the world is made about glamour and power. Power brings glamour. Glamour brings power, and both capture the imagination of masses. They follow the glamorous and powerful people blindly. The distraught effect of blind hero worship is that democracy becomes meaningless. People lose the power to think and judge. They always believe that their leader, their hero is right. They accept everything he or she say without evaluating it critically or judicially. Our country is a land of hero worship. We have a number of heroes. Some are political heroes, some are religious. Then we have people who are nearly worshipped because of their contribution in the field of cinema, sports, literature, etc. It is good that we respect people for their contribution to the society. So, my dear students, here in this content, in this paragraph, it is said about the attitude of Gandhiji. Gandhiji first denied it to prominent leader. Even millions of people madly rushed to capture glimpse of such people. But why Gandhi did not follow that way? Why Gandhi first denied and later on he was agreed to meet Charlie Chaplin? Because he was from poor family and Gandhiji was giving importance to those who are working very hard. And we know very well about the power and glamour. Both are going together. And due to them only, mass will come, means the public will come. Because glamorous and powerful people blindly follow, and that will be the destroyed everything. So, meaning is like that we have to understand, we have to know everything, because a number of heroes are there, political heroes are there, some religious heroes are there, so we can follow, no problem, but we have to see, because in different field, no? Like a cinema, sports, literature, in all the field, well-known persons are there, and we can give respect whatever contribution made by them. So, my dear students, up to here we will keep